I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to identify a song using Siri and Shazam on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
The easiest option is to use Siri by asking, what song is this? So to enable Siri, I'm going to press and hold on the lock button on the right side of my phone. What song is this? At this point, it is now listening to the song that would be playing in the background. Now it'll listen and then it will tell you which song that you are listening to, but let's show you the alternative route for this. If you don't want to have to say it, or if you're in a noisy environment where Siri can't hear it, the other option is to open your control center by scrolling down from the top right corner like that. And you can look for your Shazam item here, which is right here. I'm going to tap that. And now Shazam music recognition is on. It is now listening for a song, as you can see right here, and it will identify it for you once it has found it. Now you're all set to find whatever songs you've been looking for.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.